everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It's very like summer and like very glowy or whatever. And yeah, it's just very like, I am totally going to be wearing this like throughout the summer. And if you're new, hey, how you doing? My name is Paige and I like makeup and I like doing makeup, and yeah, so like subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah. Also hit that bell button so you're gonna notified every time I upload a new video. Is there anything else that I have to say? My social medias would be down below in the description for you guys. My Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, and Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Yeah, Snapchat. Yeah, I had to think for a minute. But if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I do want to say real quick that I am not naked. I do have a shirt on. I just have my shoulders out because that's how the shirt is. It's just like, yeah, the shoulders are out in the shirt, so like it looks like I'm naked on camera, but I'm actually not. It's just, yeah, you understand. But I just want to do like this orange, and I don't know if I want to do like an orange or a red look, because the shirt that I'm wearing is red, but I don't know if I want to do like a red sunset kind of look or a orange sunset look. I'm kind of going back and forth, but I think I'm gonna do an orange one. I have no idea. The reason why I'm thinking of doing more of an orange look is because I actually recorded a orange kind of sunset smoky makeup look. It was like orange and it had purple on the look and stuff like that. I have it on my Instagram, so you know, go check it out if you like want to know what I'm talking about. But I recorded that look and I couldn't upload it because I was missing clips, so I want to like make up for it, and that's why I want to do the orange, but I want to do the red because I'm wearing a red shirt, so I don't know what I want to do, so yeah. But enough talking, we're just gonna hop into this makeup tutorial. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette first. So I watched her reveal video. Let me just play this real quick because I just need to get it out. I watched her reveal video of her new collaboration with Morphe, and oh my god, I am so excited. There's 4 palettes. I don't know how much it is when it comes like all together, but separately they're $15, and oh my god, like I cannot wait. All the palettes that she has, that she made with Morphe, are so gorgeous. Like they're just so beautiful, and I cannot wait to like get some. Like I probably won't, but like they're $15, so I might as well just get a couple, maybe 2, maybe 4. Just get all of them, Mom. Like come on, like. But like I'm so excited of like when they come out and how good they're gonna sell. Like I'm just like so happy for her. So yeah, you're probably never gonna watch this video, but Jaclyn, I am so proud of you, and I cannot wait to see how they sell, and I cannot wait to get my hands on all of them. So yeah, you could tell that I'm very excited for her. But yeah, we're just gonna hop into this palette. So the first color that we're going to go in with is this one right here. I'm just going to grab this one on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that right on my crease. So I'm going to take this palette next. This is the Revolution Makeup London palette thingy. Yeah, whatever. I'm just going to take this, and this is in the color Reloaded, and I'm just going to grab this. And I wasn't going to grab this color, but then I was like, I just want a little something, so I'm going to grab it anyway. This yellow right here, it looks really green on camera, I feel like. It just looks very disgusting on camera, but when you blend it on your eyes, it looks really yellow and really like gorgeous. I love it so much. So I'm just going to take that on the same brush that I took the other color on and do the same exact thing, just put it in the crease. Now I'm gonna grab this Wet n Wild palette right here. These palettes are super good. Like, if you haven't got them yet, you need to get on that. Walgreens, CVS, go get them. They're like $2 or $4, something like that, and they're so good. And they're like high-end eyeshadows, like no joke. I have all of them, and they're so good and so Gucci. Oh my god, I love them. So I'm just gonna take this one. This one is the Not a Basic Peach palette, and I'm gonna take this one right here. The reason why I always like pause when I say that name, like every single time when I say Not a Basic Peach, like when I grab this palette and tell you guys what I'm using and tell you guys the name or whatever, I like pause before peach, because if I don't, then I'm gonna accidentally say another word, so we don't want that on this channel. So yeah, but just figured you guys would wanted to know that. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I could go in a red, you could go in a red if you want to, but I'm gonna go in with an orange because, girl, I would just want to. I'm just feeling like that orange kind of girl, you know? So I'm just gonna, you know, just apply the orange on my lid. So I'm going to take this Tarte Tartiest Pro palette, and I'm going to grab this color right here, this white, which is called Vintage. And since I went a little bit too high on this look, which is totally fine, if you make this mistake, like go a little bit too high on your eyeshadow, just use this little trick that I use. Just take a white eyeshadow. If you are taking a pigmented white like I am right now, just like shape it out, like just put on your brow bone and then blend down with it so the eyeshadow, like the yellow or the orange, kind of fades away because the white is making it fade away. If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm probably gonna like edit that part out because like it's when I'm gonna edit it, I'm like, you make no sense. Why are you on this earth? Because you make no sense. Like, come on. Like, seriously, why? Who knows? So now what I'm going to be doing is doing a wing liner. You totally don't have to do wing liner if you don't want to and you feel like you don't need to, or you're just horrible at wing liner, which I am too. Like, every single day I'm horrible at it. It's like I have to be very lucky to do it, and I feel very lucky today. So I'm going to do wing liner, and the eyeliner that I'm going to be taking is this London liquid eyeliner, and Carabin Black, that's the color, and I'm just gonna do a wing, you know. I feel lucky today, so I don't feel like it's gonna go downhill, and if it does, then I'm screwed. End of story. I'm gonna take a mascara, and the mascara that I'm gonna be taking is this Maybelline New York Great Lash Mascara in Very Black. It does not matter what mascara you use, I'm just gonna be using this one. I have a bunch of them, and this is the only one on my beauty table right now, and I don't feel like reaching over to get some, so yeah, it's a struggle. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pop this on. Now I'm gonna take these lashes right here. I'm so sorry, excuse me, excuse my mouth right now. I am chewing gum, so like I'm kind of talking weird because I have gum in my mouth. But I'm going to be taking these Vegas Nail lashes in Platinum Princess, and I'm just going to pop these on. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my full face off camera real quick, and then we'll do the bottom lash line and the lippy, and then we'll be Gucci, you know? You know? Alright, so I did my full face off camera, and yeah, Gucci. Still chewing my gum at the moment, so I'm about to spit it out, so. But now what I'm going to be doing is, bottom lash line. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to grab the color, from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Let me fix my hair because it's kind of looking a little bit ratchet and really frizzy. I haven't straightened it yet today, so kind of frizzy and not that good looking, but you know, it's okay. But I'm going to grab this color right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to take that and put that on my lower lash line. and put it really close to the lashes because I want the color that I'm using to be really up there and really close and not just like drag down, because when I do that sometimes, like bring the eyeshadow down, I feel like it kind of makes my eyes a little bit droopy and a little bit like ugh. Like, I don't know why, but I just feel like that. So I'm going to grab like a brush like this, like a little definer brush, and really put it close to the lash line. And then I'm going to take the orange. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to put some powder under my eyes. And then I'm going to take the same mascara that I took for the top lashes and just put it on the bottom lashes. So I'm going to be using this Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow Palette, and I'm going to be taking that highlighter shade right there. Just a little bit of that with this L'Oreal 24-Hour Eyeshadow in Ice Latte. And I'm just going to put that on my inner corner real quick. Alright, so I did my lippy off camera just so we could, you know, speed it up and it's not really a long video. I just took two things. I took this lip liner right here. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in Spice. And I just put that on the outer part of my lips and just like blend it out with my finger. And then on top I just took this Ulta Butter Balm Lip Gloss in Belle. And it's really cute, whatever. But I hope you guys liked this video. I sure did. I really like how this turned out. I'm really glad this is my makeup for the day. If you like how this turned out, give it a like, and also comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like the video, comment on the video, share the video, you know. You could do those things if you want. Like, I'm just saying, you could. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!